Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make some awesome donuts. You probably saw in the thumbnail. These are super simple to make and super tasty. You guys got to check this out. So I'm going to be using the smaller size can, and you have to use the flaky layers because those puff up nice and they become more like a donut shape. Now you can get the bigger size. They'll cook the exact same. This whole recipe will be the same. But again, get the flaky layers. This is not the flaky layers. But you can see the size difference. With these, I get 5 small donuts. With these, you get 8 big donuts. But either way, you get flaky layers. It doesn't matter if you get the buttermilk, butter tasting, or normal. Any of the flaky layers will work. Let me go ahead and get set up for the next step. And now we're basically ready to cook here. What I have here is some Lindor milk chocolate truffles, and these things are amazing. As you can see, one kind of is melting down, almost just coming out of the bag. They're super soft and they melt down great. So this we're going to use to top some of our donuts. And on this side I have sugar and cinnamon. So we'll make some sugar cinnamon, some chocolate glazed. Super quick and easy to do any of this, guys. Now you're going to need some little circular thing. This is the top of something in my house. And as you can see, I cut them out. All we do is put this in the middle, push, and then out the other side. Got a nice donut, and then we'll just take that out. And I've done the rest of them. Let's go ahead and see how to cook them. At the stove here, and I have 2 pots. One small one with vegetable oil. That's where I'm going to do the donuts. I just do them one at a time in this pot. You could use a bigger pot, but I'm only doing a few. And then I got a big pot of water, and that's on a low heat. I wanted to get kind of close to a simmer. We're going to put a bowl of chocolate in there, and that's going to melt that chocolate down. You don't want to microwave this or anything. It'll end up being all burned and bad. Best way to do it is just throw it in a pot with water underneath it and slow heat that. This has only been in there about a minute. Water's not even simmering, and as you can see, it's melting pretty quick. So you saw my chocolate melting. Those I'm going to do with the first 3 donuts I make. These donuts can dry off a little bit before we dip them in chocolate. The ones that we want to dip in the cinnamon sugar, those we want to put in there right after taking them out of the oil, so they're still kind of wet and the cinnamon sugar sticks. For cooking them, we just place these down. You want the oil to be kind of 3/4 up the the donut, and just going to cook this on each side. Flip it one time, cook it on each side until we got a nice brown color. Here we go. The bottom is looking good. Flip it. Let it cook until the other side has a nice golden color. The slotted metal spoon works perfect. Looks like our second side is done great. Now we'll just take this out, put it on a dish, on a paper towel, and we'll throw in the next one. I finished the donuts for the chocolate dip. We're going to finish those and top them at the end. But now we're going to do the donuts that we want to do in the cinnamon sugar. And that we want to put in there almost immediately when we take them out. So we're going to get them brown on both sides and then throw them right in the sugar cinnamon. This one's looking good. So now we'll just take it out. Shake off the oil. Put it in here. And I'm going to let it cool for just a second. And then I'm going to mix it around and get cinnamon sugar all over it. And we're almost done here. You can see we got the nice cinnamon sugar ones coated. And now we just take these other ones, dip them in the chocolate. Give them a nice twist. And this will solidify. As you saw, the chocolate at the beginning was solid at room temperature, but it'll take a little while to solidify. And there we go. Some awesome donuts at home, super simple and easy. Give them a try, guys, and let me know how you think they are. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see y'all later.